Oh yes, welcome back. In today's tutorial, I'm going to be teaching us on how to use Trebedit. This is absolutely for beginners. So without any further ado, let's get started. Okay, I believe you must have downloaded the mobile app on your device. Please, if you have not done so, please do where to click on the link on the description below and get it downloaded so that you follow along. So let's get started. All right, over here is the software or the app. Okay, click. So I've been using this for a long time, and I've been using it to create or do so many stuff. So your own interface may not be looking as this, so just do well to follow suit. Okay, we are going to be clicking here on the menu. So let's click on this menu. Let's click on workspace. Okay, all these are my project files. Okay, right here you are going to click on this icon below, this plus icon. Click on it. So to enable you to create a new folder, over here is to create a new folder. Right here is to create a new file. It could be HTML file, it could be CSS file, it could be JavaScript file, any file of your choice. This is where you create it. The second one. Okay, another thing is to import a folder. Let's say you want to import a folder from your device, maybe already saved, and you want to import it to Trebedit, or inside of Trebedit you can as well click here to import it. Okay, if you want to import file already created file that is not existing on Trebedit, you can click here. Just have to click here to import the file. Just have to click here to import the file. But we are going to be clicking on new project because we're actually starting up a new project. So click on new project. New project is for you to create a folder. This is a kind of folder. Okay, you can name it any name of your choice. Let me name it Trebedit tutorial. All right, so I've actually named the folder. So the next thing to do is to click on save. You have to save it. All right, our project has been created. If you look up here, you are going to see it. So once you are done clicking it, you have to open it. So let's open it. All right, you can see everywhere is empty. So we are going to be creating a new file, and this file we are going to be naming it index.html because our aim is to develop a website. So you can click here to create a new file. So we are going to be naming it index no space dot html. All right, so we are going to be clicking on save. Okay, once you are done, you just have to click back on the file. Okay, shortcut keys, shortcut way of navigating without making use of your keyboard. You can see the interface is very easy to use, user friendly. You can see you can make use of all these tools for your work. All right, so we are going to be importing HTML snippet. We're going to be importing HTML snippet. So here is it. You can see that I have to click here instead of typing them afresh. So have to click here. All right, so you can see that. So over here you can run your program. Okay, here is where you run your program. Okay, let's see, there's nothing here. Okay, let's create our first HTML tag. Okay, first HTML tag. Let's say welcome. Okay, all right, so let's run it and see. Okay, let's run it and see. All right, you can see say welcome to Tech Academy. So I will stop in here for now. So do subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. So see you in the next video.